Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can swap the positions of buttons of the back button and the background apps button on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So there is no option in the device itself that allows you to change the order of the buttons, and we need to use a third-party app in order to have a custom navigation buttons actually, and swap the position of them. So if we go to the Play Store, we can search for navigation bar, and then we can choose, for instance, this app over here, and we can press install in order to do that. Now, of course, this is not really user-friendly. It would be better if there was actually a way to change the order within the system settings, but apparently it is not accessible, it is not possible to do so. So instead we need to use this app. So if we open it, we need to agree to these changes, then we need to go to settings. Over here we want to go to navigation bar and then enable that we want to use it, and then allow the access. Then we need to go to display settings. Here we need to find the navigation bar and then allow display over other apps. And now we need to select the consent button, and finally we have the settings. If you want to enable and disable the navigation button, you can tap over here in the top right corner. We have off and on. You can adjust the height if you want to. You can move it down or up. However, keep in mind that if you move it, then the old navigation bar is still there, unfortunately. So we need to hide it with this one. We can change the color of the background, and if we of course set it to transparent, then the old one will be visible, so it's not really that good. But if you want to prioritize the option to have the navigation bar switched, then at least I just want to show you that there is an option. But after all, we are for this option, swap back and recent button. So if we enable this option, then as you can see now, the order is different. I have the back button on the right side. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.